Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most talked about elements of content creation, the YouTube algorithm. Today, we're breaking down how it works. If you're a creator, knowing the mechanics of the YouTube algorithm is essential for growing your audience and ensuring your videos reach the right people. So what exactly is the YouTube algorithm? It's an AI-driven recommendation system designed to show viewers the content they are most likely to watch and enjoy. Understanding this system is crucial because it dictates discoverability. It's how YouTube connects your content with potential lifelong viewers, driving growth and success. The algorithm considers numerous factors when deciding where and to whom to recommend your video. Let's look at the three biggest areas. First and foremost is viewer satisfaction, measured primarily through watch time and engagement. If people watch your video for a long time and interact with it, the algorithm takes notice. The algorithm heavily personalizes recommendations based on each viewer's history, including what they've watched, searched for, and interacted with in the past. Video performance, like click-through rate or center and overall views, signals to the algorithm how appealing your content is when it's presented to a viewer. It's helpful to understand the algorithm's ultimate goals, maximizing long-term viewer satisfaction and helping viewers discover relevant content. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform longer, which means it prioritizes content that keeps viewers engaged over multiple sessions. The algorithm continuously tests your videos to new audiences to ensure viewers can always find something tailored to their interests, broadening your reach. Now that you know the factors, let's talk about practical ways to optimize your videos and work with the algorithm. To boost your click-through rate, create compelling, clear, and high-quality titles and thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Focus on creating high-quality content that maximizes watch time and viewer retention. A video that holds attention is a video the algorithm will favor. Don't forget to encourage interaction. Likes, comments, and shares are strong signals of engagement that tell the algorithm your content is valuable. To wrap up, let's simplify the core philosophy behind succeeding on YouTube. Always prioritize the viewer first. Create content that provides immense value and keeps them satisfied. That is the surest path to success. Remember, the algorithm doesn't lead, it follows. It learns from viewer behavior. Focus on your audience, and the algorithm will naturally work in your favor.